For the last 2 to 3 years, craze about investing in international stocks has gone up. There are many international stocks that are doing really well, like Meta, Amazon, Google, Tesla, etc. So people in India are thinking about investing in these stocks very seriously. Hello, this is Kingshuk from jagoinvestor.com, and this video is all about informing you about the 3 effective ways to invest in international equities.
Number 1. Investing directly through a broker's website.
You can invest in global equities through a brokerage house by opening a demat or trading account. With this option, you can directly trade stocks and make decisions about whether you want to sell it or not. But it is a bit complicated option as there would be a lot of paperwork incorporated with it.
You can choose Indian brokerage houses like ICICI Credit and Motilal Oswal, which has a tie-up with a foreign brokerage house. Or you can choose a new age startups like Vested or IND Money, which also has a direct tie-up with the global brokerage houses. You will just have to open an account there. After that, you can transfer your money to the account and do the transactions.
But one thing that you should note here is that all these brokerage houses apply transfer charges to every transaction that you do, and these are quite expensive in nature. So this route is mostly for someone whose transactions are of large size, which is around rupees 1 lakh.
Number 2. Investing through a mutual fund.
One of the easiest way to invest in international equities is through international mutual funds. There are international mutual funds that offer you to invest in theme-specific, region-specific stocks.
Here the best thing is that if you are a retail investor, there is no change in process and no more paperwork for you. You can simply purchase mutual fund units or set up a systematic investment plan or SIP.
Another significant advantage is that mutual funds offer an extensive variety and alternatives. If you want to invest directly in stocks through a broker, you will mostly see options for investing in US-based companies only. But with mutual funds, you can get options based on countries, emerging markets, sectors, or geographies. For example, there are mutual funds like DSP US Flexible, HSBC Brazil Fund, etc. that mostly focus on a specific country. There are funds like Kotak Global Emerging Market or ABSL Global Emerging Op that are not linked to any country. These funds invest in various country stocks depending on the growth sector and market opportunities.
Also, there are funds that focus on a specific theme like technology, real estate, or consumptions, etc. Some examples of these are Edelweiss US Technology Equity FOF, Axis Global Innovation FOF, etc. Number 3. Through subsidy of the stock exchange.
You can also buy direct US stocks on the NSE International Exchange, that is also called NSE IFSC. It is a totally owned subsidiary of National Stock Exchange of India. You will just have to open your trading and demat account with NSE IFSC's registered brokers. After that, you will have to just transfer your money from your local bank account to the registered broker's bank account.
Once the fund reflects in your banker's account, you are ready to trade on the NSE IFSC US stock platform.
India INX is BSE's international arm. It gives access to international stocks. You can trade in global stocks including the major listed US companies through India INX Global Access. It also offers stocks from Canada, UK, Europe, Japan, Australia, covering over 80% of the investing universe. Here you should note one thing, that it's quite fancy to think that you are investing in an international portfolio. And because of that, so many people go overboard and invest a high amount in these funds. But you should look at these funds mainly as a way to diversify your portfolio and reduce the dependence on Indian equity. This will nothing but help you to reduce the risks of a single asset. You should understand that there is no compulsion for you to invest out of India. With this, I will stop here. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Jago Investor. See you next time.